first two B-21 Raider bombers are currently under construction in the California desert. The Air Force's first new bomber in more than 30 years will replace most of the service's heavy bombers, with the exception of the immortal B-52H Stratofortress. Although the B-21 Raider has mostly stayed on schedule, the Air Force has pushed the first flight back to the middle of 2022. Of the two B-21s under construction, the first jet is really starting to look like a bomber, according to Air Force magazine. The second bomber is in its early production stages. The B-21's first flight was initially scheduled for December 2021, but Air Force officials warned last fall that the date was likely to slip. Officials seem fairly confident the Raider will fly next year, with the plane entering service around 2026 or 2027. The B-21 will be both a conventional and nuclear-armed bomber. In the conventional role, it will likely carry the GPS-guided Joint Directed Attack Munitions (JDAMs) and the Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile (JASSM). For nuclear missions, the bomber will probably carry the B83 and B61-12 nuclear gravity bombs. Other possible payloads include sea mines, air-to-air weapons, drones, and hypersonic weapons. Overall, the trend for the B-21 is a refinement of the B-2A's original flying wing shape. The leading-edge shape of the B-21 is simpler than the B-2A's sawtooth trailing edge. The cleaner, simpler trailing edge is probably how the original stealth bomber was supposed to look, but in the 1980s, a last-minute demand by the Air Force that the Spirit be capable of low-altitude flight necessitated an expensive design change. As a result, the plane is likely optimized for medium and high-altitude flight.